The PN60 is the latest generation of ultra-compact, lightweight mini PC from ASUS. For the more demanding user, this mini PC can be easily customized to the configuration you need. It measures 4.5 inches square by 1.9 inches tall and weighs in at only 1.5 pounds. This PC's small size makes it ideal for keeping a tidy workstation or for mounting to the rear of a monitor. But don't mistake its small size for a lack of processing power or utility. This PC is equipped with an 8th generation Intel i3 processor, 4K ready Intel UHD graphics 620, up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, full wireless connectivity with 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These powerful internal components allow the mini PC to output up to 4K resolution to multiple displays through HDMI, mini DisplayPort, and VGA. The PN60 is also easy to customize with expandable memory and storage. On the front, you'll find a single USB 2.0 port, dual USB 3.1 ports with one Type-C connection, and an audio jack. On the back panel, you'll find an HDMI port, a single USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C connection, two USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, gigabit LAN, and the DC power input. There's also the option for VGA, DisplayPort, COM port, HDMI, or LAN port on the rear panel. These port options make the PN60 compatible with legacy devices that drive your business, such as printers, barcode scanners, and digital signage. If you have any questions about the PN60 Mini PC, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.